Block. Renza again, you see me? 347 talks. Never yet fixed my camera proper. But listen, yeah, listen. A lot of people get things misconstrued. Yo, it's so hot out here today. And think I hate Jamaica, you know what I mean? And, you know, I just don't like, you know, Jamaica. I'm not patriotic enough and blah, blah, blah. But listen, I'm going to talk the truth and I'm going to talk my truth all the time. Like I said, to be honest with you, for the most part, I can talk about where I'm from. You feel me? Kingston, Jamaica. You know what I mean? 2 mile at that. Pianland and place there. You know what I mean? The 13. You know what I mean? And I'm pretty sure the rest of certain part of Kingston kind of run the same way. You know what I mean? Been to a few other parishes too, but not that much. But what me I say is, get into it. Like, me don't want nobody feel like me I come at Jamaica or me at this, because we tend to be like that when we hear things that we don't want to hear about Jamaica. You know what I mean? And we can't fix the issues if we don't talk about them or if we don't really be truthful. You understand what I'm saying? We can't fix the issues them. You understand? Like, if everybody just hold on them head or everybody act like nothing is not happening like we've been doing or it's not true, you know what I mean, or it's just not happening, and the person that's calling it out, he's just a hater, or he's just, you know, him just foreign minded, or, you know, him a sellout, and yeah, I'll be all of that. You understand? I'm cool. I'll be on the chopping board, you heard? But I'm gonna speak how I feel and tell you how me feel and what me see, and a lot of other people. Big up some subscriber that hit me up even privately and say, yo, bro, yeah, big up Kim Chin. Yeah, you already know. Like, listen, I got to tell you the truth. The system of Jamaica backwards and it's messed up. See? You understand me? Like, me even say, you know, oh, just even how the government run them thing, brother. Like, you understand me? Like, even what happened to the Melissa money? We don't hear nothing about that. You know what I mean? Me even say one at a time, like, you have to really think about it, you know, bro. Like, you gotta really think about it. Right when the Melissa, you know, everything I go on and all these things, all of a sudden, every time you go on social media, it was about Melissa. But so when Tommy Lee and Massacre start war, from that I ain't hear nothing really about Melissa unless you really go and dig deep and stuff like that. I really know somebody on the ground unless I go to Jamaica or something. You understand me? It's like it never happened. And I promise you, things is still going on. What happened to all the money? You know what I mean? But understand, it doesn't work how we think it works. But a lot of people still down there still not get not even a halfway or even a quarter with what they really need. You feel me? If you want, you could research yourself. You understand me? We in modern times, bro. You understand me? Like, what happened? Is this? Was this a distraction? Remember, I don't have no affiliations to none of these people. I'm talking about like the artists, them or the governments. I could call out anybody I feel like. You understand me? Is this some kind of ploy to just kind of sway we away from that? Did they get paid to do that? All right. We don't know. I'm just saying. You never know. You never know with these people, bro. You understand me? But yeah, where did that go? You know what I mean? And then again, no, but that alone don't happen in Jamaica. See? So, yeah, that don't happen. Like I said, that don't only happen in Jamaica. So let me make it clear. But that is an issue. That is a problem. You understand me? Yeah. So like even them the people that I call out the system. No, the system run, brother. Like, you know what I mean? The link system, brother. Like a youth, we go to school, get all of his subject, doing whatever he say he's doing. You know what I mean? And if him don't have a link, bro, if him don't, I live there and me know this, bro. Me live there and I know this. You understand me? Me live there and know this. If you don't have a link, you don't have it's very highly unlikely you will get anywhere. You get what I say? So you really gotta rub shoulder, kiss ass, shit like that, to be honest with you. You know what I mean? Yeah. If you have an uptown friend, you better hold on to him to dear life. Yeah. If him willing to help you, that's your life support. Yeah, everybody. Yeah, come for me in the chat, bro. I'm telling you from my perspective, what I see and what I've been through. See, I have a book where me explain this. How me end up start a whole. I don't know if I could talk this on YouTube when I was 17, 16. Yeah, about 16. Me start a whole sell weed, and I build a whole system I sell weed because nobody would hire me. I ain't know nobody. See? That is that next story for now when we're ready for story time. You understand me? How me end up become a sell weed. Yes, I start make a whole heap of money because I do it a certain way. Because I used to live in America and we know how me use for them style. I use up here style, how them do it. Me never just sit in my yard and people come to me. Me have it here so and up there so. If you understand what I'm saying, I have it over there. Somebody else I do it over here so for me, and me over here so I do it. And when we go party, me have people I deal with it for me. When we go party. And them time that I was 16, about 16, 17, 15, 17. Yeah. I'm telling about that situation there. When we there at Jamaica, as a little youth. Seeing young youth, we get stuck at Jamaica. Seeing? It's a whole different video. And the subscribers them up, I write a book on it. Seeing? Straight. So what me I say is, it forced me to end up have to do that. That's not what I wanted to do, but me they have to survive and do what me have to do because I was coming of age. You know what I mean? When they reach them age, you have to start fending for yourself, especially the situation that I was in. Seeing? So me know all of them things. Me, I've been through all these things. Seeing? So that's why me can't talk on it. See? And when we talk to other people, even when they live there and all them things, nothing much no change. Not because you say flashy car and people, time change, different. It's the same thing all over again. You always, them always show, like say, yo, everybody I make money now and the place I progress. Yes, Jamaica's always progressing aesthetically and all these things. You get what I say? Fashion-wise and them things. That's always been around. You understand me? And it's always only like, may I tell it, at least 3 or 4 or 5% of the people actually living like that. And when you go up on the ground, you'll see that that's not what it's like, really. How you thinking it is. You get what I say? Because they mean, oh yeah man, everybody make money now. And in Jamaica, where do you know? No. Believe me. It's not like that. See? The opportunities are not there. And let's be real. Who want to argue with me? Come argue with me. I don't care. And say me I sell out and sell out my country. See? You understand me? Another thing too, brother. The begging, dog. The begging. The man them not hustle, brother. The youths them not hustling. See? No hustle mentality, brother. See? Man them want to sit down on the corner. Beg your, beg your thing, no? You know what I mean? You pull up, beg your thing, no? You know what I mean? Me understand it, brother. Me understand it, man. Yo, it's hot out here, me understand, say. Turn up this AC. I understand things tough, yeah. But guess what? We have to go out there, go try and also, just like how me figure it out, we have to figure it out too. But, like me said, the system not create a lot of, opportunity. See? Because enough of them, the way you say I drink special on the corner all day. They have them big subject, they have all heap of subject, but there is nothing to do with it. So, them things that lead to a lot of things. You know what I mean? Lead to a lot of things. What heap of youth do certain things. You know what I mean? We want, get a link for come a foreign and, then we do a lot of things and anything for come here. That's what I say. So, me not bash Jamaica. Me just say the system from the top coming down needs to change. See? And we as a people have to change our mentality. Not because a person saying something mean them a go against what I say. Listen, you know what I say? Like, share, subscribe. Renzo Talks. Look out for the next video. Blacker than black. I'm out.